Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the latest new toggle on Dress to Impress in the VIP section. So if you go over here, and I've always wanted to just wear like this part of the top and not the middle part. So now there's a new toggle. If you select this, you can select the second toggle, and as you can see, now you can only like use the second bit of it. There's also this one. It is a little bit old, but not a lot of people know about this, but this is like the baby doll dress. Select the fourth toggle, and you can only use just the train of the skirt. And here are some toggles that you might not know about on the new update. The top one is new, but the skirt isn't. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.